Oh, nangyari. I took a picture of you behind the sun gazer. Haha, sun gazer. Sky gazer. Ito yung gusto kong maglakad. Windy, tapos sa Tagaytay. Ito yung maganda, hindi yung flat terrain. Meralco. Nakaboy si tignan. Nako, battery too low. You hear those frogs? Okay. Gusto mo makita yung pagkakaiba. Kalo ba French baker? Gusto mo? Hindi yung
Ay, pwede rin. Masarap yung breakfast. Gusto mo ba?
Pang breakfast.
Oo.
Hindi, pwede tayong order lang nung kinabay pa tayo.
Sige. Sige.
Tapos may chicken, may kanin.
Nako, punong-puno pa yung tinapay natin. Di maubos. Di maubos yung buhay. She's plastic.
Bawal na kayo.
Ang daan lang naman.
I would never jump like I'm running from the cops to the top. Roller coaster, then it drops. What do I scream for? Which is my theme park? My sign, even though my thoughts seem dark. You don't wanna hear that thing talk. Robot na ako, fuck. Dinilit ko yung buong YouTube download ko just to give some extra 3 gigabytes worth of juice. Hindi rin ako pwede gumamit ng SD card, otherwise masisira. Hindi ko madadownload yung mga YouTube ko sa white A06 A16 ko, but I will be able to use the extra storage for filming. Tom and Tom's coffee. Like wind chimes. This guy. Wait. You still believe? Wow. Wow. In my recovery back, you see. Look. Out na. America. Yes. Pitch black. Look. If you had one shot, one opportunity, you seize everything you ever wanted. One moment, would you capture? Just let it slip. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd rolls so loud. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking out, everybody's choking now. Time's run out, time's up, over, plow. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. Chokes. He's so mad, but he won't give up that easy. You know, he won't have it. He knows he's hold back to his rope. It don't matter, he's dope. He knows that, but he's so sad. But he knows it always back to his mobile home. That's when it's back to the lab again, yo. There's those raps that he better go capture. You know, we'll go capture. Yeah. Moment. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to float. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better yourself in the music the moment you own it. Ever let it go. Only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to float. Halfway. Ito na yung Leslie's eh. Whole escaping. There's holes that escaping. The world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward the world order. A normal life is boring. The superstardom's close to postmortem. It only goes harder. Goes harder. Goes taller. Goes slower. Goes shows. No one is no father. Father only knows his own father. From home he's no father. He goes home and barely knows his own daughter. And hold your nose there, here goes the cold water. His hoes don't want him no more. His cold product. Gone to the next room who flows. He knows those and sold nada. Goes sold opera. His soul is unfolded. Suppose he don't want it, but the beat goes on. But at him, you better. One shot. Ninja flow. Truly comes once in a lifetime. Ako ay pagod na dito, pero naglalakwa siya pa rin naglalakad. Hindi matitigil ang enerhiya ng espiritu kung mandirigma pag ako nag-spit. No more games have changed, you call rage. Tear this motherfucking roof off like two dogs' cage. I was playing in the beginning, the mood all changed. I was chewed up and spit out and booed off stage. But I can't rhyme and step right in the next cipher. Best believe somebody's paying the Pied Piper. All the pain inside amplified by the fight that I can't get by with my nights. Fight that I can't provide the right type of life for my family. Cause man, it's goddamn food stamps, they don't buy diapers. And it's no movie, there's no Mackay Pfeiffer. This is my life and this time is so high. And it's getting even harder trying to feed him water. My C plus, teeter-totter, being a father and a prima donna. Baby mama drama screaming, it's too much for me, will not stay in one spot. day of monotony's gotten me to the point I'm like a snail. I've got to formulate a plot, go hit up in jail. A shot, success is my only motherfucking option. Failure's not mama love you, but this trail has got to go. I cannot grow old and sail and slot. So here, notice my shot. If you fail me not, there's only opportunity that I got. You better, so better never let it go. Only get one shot, you know, chance to flow. It's on a lifetime, you better sense in the music the moment you own it. Never let it go. One shot, not dance the flow. The opportunity comes once in a lifetime, you better Louis 17 said Jumanji, man. Bunning, bunning, bunning. Bunning, bunning. Look, keep it recording. Hawakan mo lang ako. I-remove ko jacket ko.
Wait. Wait, can we stop? Wait lang. Nahihilo na ako eh.
Oh, Kane, gamitin mo to. Gamitin mo to.
Nade-disorient na yung paningin mo.
Teka. Lang. Hawakan mo lang.
Wait. No!
Actually, malapit na tayo.
Malapit na tayo.
Wait lang.
Oo nga.
Breathe
Baka
lang.
naman bigla katakin sa puso niya.
Good.
Breathe lang, breathe. Bilisan mo, do what you have to do.
Tatanggalin ko lang to jacket.
Gusto mo bumili? Iliminis.
Ba't parang hindi kayo pawis?
Eh, silang dalawa together.
You're walking at the same pace you are.
Wala kayo sa exercise.
Wow. Pawisin kaya pag pinawisan ako.
Wawa, mga di nag-taekwondo.
Sorry, hindi namin nakuha yung ano mo.
Taekwondo mo parang 10 years ago na yun. Wala ka ng skills.
May endurance ako.
Wala na.
Ano, bibili ba ako? Let's keep going. Bukas na lang bumili ng ano dito.
Yan na.
Gusto ko din yung ano, nilalakad natin to. Pa-slope.
Masarap naman ako.
Oh, ngayon lang naman eh.
Nagsa-sightseeing din tayo.
Oh. Good. Hindi na stimulating bakit pa mag-jog.
Kung lalaki di ako nag-makeup. Sabihin ko din kasi nagpapalit pa. Kasi skin lang naman gamit yung powder. Yun lang naman. Tapos wala ako. So,
Masarap bro, malamig. Meron lang mo.
Thoughts, it's a week. Twin Pines Mall. I'll be on my own. On the ground low. Head in the clouds like Zeus. Came from bird's eye view. Rap God. Monster. China.
Yung sa'yo, iba pa yung sa'yo.
Flying fuck. Punchline. Climb the fuck vaginas. Punch your ass at your mind. Feels piled up. Feels piled up. I don't want. Bird's eye view. Hey, he's talking like a rap guy.
Malapit na tayo na nandun. Picture mo nga to, send mo sa akin.
Ito yung marker ko kapag malapit na tayo eh.
Record mo ako? Metrogate? Krisha, ba't ka nandito?
Snow dog. Hawakan mo nga to sandali. Ano?
Ano ba?
Wait. Lilipat ko lang to. Nahuhulog sa right side ko yung tote bag ko eh. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. I'm down like who? Susan came from bird's eye view. Hey, bitch rapping to a rap god. Ako naiihi ako. I can keep walking, pero naiihi ako.
How long have you been walking?
16 minutes. This phone, 16 minutes.
Yung isa?
Parang 8 minutes.
I'm blind.
Abbey Road. Abbey Road. Abbey Road.
Abbey Road na may kasamang nahihilo.
Oo. Ano ka? Abnoy Road.
May ano ba doon?
Ano ba? Oh, musta?
Nag-white yung paningin ko.
Ako gusto ko lang umihi. Other than that, I'm
A
okay.
measly 15-minute walk, nag-white yung paningin ko. How dare me? Honestly, that's as a challenge.
Look, UST ka na dapat sanay ka sa lakaran.
Hindi naman ako okay lang naman ako maglakad. Wala naman ako problema sa ganun.
So what's your problem?
Hindi. Mami, hindi. Feeling ko lang yung problema ko dito kasi uneven your road. Kanina pa ako gumagano dito. Hihilo na ako.
Factor yan?
Sabi ng alam ko, yung naglalakad tayo ako ng jacket. Okay lang naman ako dun eh.
Oh, huwag kang mahihiga kagad
Oo.
Cool down.
Wala na matutulog na ako.
Bawal mo, puto kayo ka lang.
Oo.
Yan,
Tuloy-tuloy yung blood flow.
Kaya nga.
Iiyak ako. Ikaw man.
Huwag ka! Mamaya ka na umihi!
Mabilis lang. Like, what?
No! Ayan na. Barbaric.
I'm a man. I'm a man. Ako, ayoko namang, padayon po, ayoko namang, tabi-tabi pala, tabi-tabi. Kapag duwende, sasabihin mo, tabi-tabi po eh. Rams. Mabok ka Rams. Mabok ka Rams.
Kabahaw.
Shing. $20. 29%.
Stop.
This can be lady. Wait, I have the lady. Wait, I didn't mean to piss you off, my lady. It goes a little something like this. Nasugbo. Ah. Wama.
Tower 6, tama na.
Tower 6, wama ka.
Tapos Tower 2 kami. So, look at this dumbass.
A tower. A tower 5. A do.
Hold the damn phone!
No means yes, but yet no means no. So baby, please take off your clothes. No, yes, no, yes, no, no, yes, no. Oh. Actually, spit a ball that's far from a doctor's juice. We're gonna start a group. Fuck it, I'm a kook. De la salute. Call me pasta news.
Yung pantry natin.
Pine tree nyo. Natin.
Ano ka ba?
Yung sa atin. Yung species. Ano?
Nilalamig na ako. Saan ba kayo ito? Video ako.
Doon pa yung pizza to.
60 ba ito?
6, 5, 4.
That one. Yes po.
So talaga, ang dami-dami mo sa Manila.
5 years. At least napagpawisan ko tong damit na to. Hindi lang one time use today. Alhamdulillah for everything.
Ano ba?
Alhamdulillah for everything.
Wind!
Mahangin bigla, yes. Hangin. Am I coming or going, man? I can't decide. Now stop means go. Yes, but yet no means no. So baby, please take off your clothes.
Walk a mile in these Louboutins.
Walk a mile in this Louboutins.
Louboutins.
I'm in grooving out the Super Rons. You know my Super Rons. It's like Weasley but maxed up to the Super Bowl. Kendrick Pons. Yeah. K-Dot in this Maxim. Without so much as a plastered bastard. It's a call to ego fault, to ego's fault. He's a walk, he's so tossy. Look it up. Alexandra, good name stands for you.
Wait.
Let my fart fly across the air.
Why did you drop the fart behind you?
Yes. Oh, the air. Kim Jong is on to drum. Ah.
Bili ka daw ng cup noodles.
Oh, sorry.
Cup noodles.
Dali ka na. Dito na naman. Dali lang naman.
Ay, patayin mo na yan. Wala pamila ka.
Mamaya mag-ano tayo. Cool down.
Gusto nyo cup noodles?
Bukas daw.
Sige.
Hi. Wala ka. Whitey, Snowy. Meow, meow. Meow, meow, Snowy. Hindi tayo bagong color kayo.
Superman.
Pwede na tayo sumali sa ano, Daddy? Yung mga 5K marathon. Pwede lang na. Mami, tumatakbo yung 5K.
Tumatakbo yung nagbo-brisk walk. Wala na yung ano dito.
Tumakbo ka nga ng 1 mile. Pag kinaya mo yon, sige. 5K ka dyan.
Hello.
5K is okay. Wala nga tayong experience. Hindi nga tayo maglalakad sa 5K. Konti na ako, baka na-video na ako. Mag-pwede mo sa... Gusto ko ice cream.
Ito yung ano.